What a day.
What a day.
What are you eating?
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears. Those aren't your mama's gummy bears, are they?
No, they're not my mama's gummy bears.
Welcome to Spontooneous. Today we're going to make something called, well, it's really a takeoff from Planter's Punch, but we're going to call it Pontoon Punch because we're not really using all of the ingredients that are in a Planter's Punch. We're going to start off with 2 ounces of Captain Morgan's spiced rum. Now we're making 2 drinks, so we're going to go with 4 ounces there. We're going to add about 3/4 of an ounce of Grenadine, which will be 1.5 ounces. And I'm going to use some Captain Morgan's pineapple rum. We're going to add 1 ounce of Captain Morgan's pineapple rum.
Shake it up, baby, now.
We've got that shaken up. Now we break out the old strainer.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Bam! Look at that. Did you notice anything different? There's ice in the cups. Now, we're going to put a little bit of club soda in there just to give it a little bit of fizzy. The last 2 things we're going to do is squeeze some fresh lime juice into the cups.
Put the lime in the coconut and
drink it all up. All right, here's the last thing we're going to do. A little mint. We got mint here. We're going to activate the oils. I still find that funny when people do it. Look at that.
Nice.
Look at the activated oils and that mint.
Oh, I see them moving around.
You do, don't you? All right, let's try the Pontoon Punch and see what we created here. Cheers.
I like it.
Yeah, kind of cool and refreshing. I enjoyed that. Pontoon Punch today on Spontooneous. Beautiful day on the lake again. So come back and visit us again. Until then, remember,
Be spontaneous.
heck yeah.